The field of life sciences never fails to surprise us. And whether it is disease research, aging research, whether it is space research, life science in space, or whether it is agriculture, in fact, every area, every day, we are seeing evolution happening and revolution happening in the field of life sciences. So recently I was asked, what are the 7 most promising emerging areas, emerging technologies of the future in life sciences, which is going to revolutionize? So I quickly brought in 6 or 7 fields, techniques, stuff, research areas, which has the potential to revolutionize the field of life sciences. And of course, if it succeeds, it's going to blow your mind. Okay. Now, the first thing which comes in my mind right now is bioprinting. Now, bioprinting is going to shape the future of medicine. Now, you will ask how? Very simple. Number one, the organ transplantation industry is a billion-dollar industry. What if we don't need donors? What if we could just print the organs and implant it into the body of the patient? Well, that's revolutionary, right? But a lot of success has already happened, and a lot of success will be achieved in the coming future, and that is where you will see the entire organ donation industry getting replaced by organ transplantation through 3D bioprinting. Second one will be tissue engineering under 3D bioprinting. So by creating 3D tissue structures, bioprinting paves the way for regenerative medicine and personalized treatment. So that's one benefit we have. And the third would be drug testing and development. So right now we have to go through clinical trial, animal trials. What if we could directly give the drug to organ, 3D printed organ, and see the physiological effect, see the adverse effect, and monitor it, and then come to a conclusion? So that way we will be able to accelerate drug discovery to a lot, and that is where 3D bioprinting is going to revolutionize organ donation, tissue engineering, as well as drug discovery and testing process. So that's the first field of the future. The next one which I have for you is biosensors. Now, the future of diagnostics is here. Now, early disease detection. What if we could be told beforehand that, hey, this disease can happen? So biosensors can enable us to detect the diseases early, and that can be done by detecting the biomarkers in the blood. So that's a great way of doing that. The second will be real-time monitoring. So in real time, like how city has a control room and they can monitor the traffic across the red lights. Exactly the same way, if you could open out an app in your mobile and real-time monitor where exactly things are going wrong or right, and this continuous monitoring of health parameters empowers the individual to take control of their well-being. And nowadays you can see that happening already with the Apple Watch, but in future it will be much more advanced and you will get real-time circulation report of your body. Well, that sounds really interesting, isn't it? Now, the third one is environmental applications. Now, biosensors can be used to identify environmental pollutants, ensuring a safer and healthier planet. And that is, again, a big achievement for all of us. So environmental applications of biosensor is also there. Real-time monitoring of your circulation or of your body. And of course, early detection of disease and prevention is the biggest boon which can happen to humanity. So biosensors are going to change that. Now, the third one which I have, and we have discussed many times on our channel, and that is AI in drug discovery. Now, what happens? We are going to transform the pharmaceutical research. How do we do that? We take up the data, analyze it, we do virtual screening, and then we design personalized medicine for the patient. So right now the medicines are generalized. So what happens? You just take it and expect results. But what if your body is different than others? That's the truth. So you can analyze the data, and according to that, do the virtual screening, that which particular drug will suit this patient and give that. And that is personalized medicine, and that is where AI will change drug discovery. AI will change the way drugs are administered, prescribed, and absorbed. So that is where AI will change. And next one which we have obviously is bioinformatics, unleashing the power of data. So we do genomic analysis, then we do disease modeling, and we do big data visualization. So all these three can be done in bioinformatics, and that is where we have the Bioinformatics winter internship starting from 15th of December. It is a 21 days internship which will empower you to become a bioinformatician who can do freelancing or get easily absorbed in any of the companies or projects and get started with your career. So that is where bioinformatics comes into picture. It is all about unleashing the power of data. The next one, which will be again very exciting, is CRISPR gene editing. It was a trend, today it is a tradition. Everywhere you can see CRISPR projects happening. You can rewrite the code of life. You can choose what you want to become. We always say in career, right? What if your body also can be chosen, that these are the features your body can have? Well, there can be a lot of ethical debates around it, but what if we could precisely edit the gene and remove the disease causing organism? What if we could have pest resistant crops using agricultural gene editing in crops? And then what if we could bring in a gene therapy revolution which will create an innovative gene therapy aiming for curing previously incurable genetic diseases? Now all of that can be done through genetic editing, and that is CRISPR. So CRISPR is another technology of the future, which is right here where you can make your future. Now, next one is again very exciting, and you must have seen in science fiction, and that is cryonics. That is towards immortality. What if we could make our bodies sleep for hundreds of years and then wake up with the same youth and without any aging? So potential of life extension. Ethical considerations are always there, that okay, whether you should live for more than 100 years, because obviously a lot of things, but there are advancements happening, but there is still challenges, and there are many companies who are working on aging research as well as cryopreservation or cryonics. And this is the technology of the future where you can make your career. So these were a few techniques which you should keep tab of. And then last one, I think, should be genomics, which is again human genome project. You know, it was completed in 2003, and then we have personal genomics happening right now, and then in future we'll have personalized medicine, precision medicine happening through genomics. So these are the, I think, 6 or 7 fields of the future in which you can build your career today, and you will be able to encash it. Now you look at this, whether you want to get into teaching or research or go abroad and do some job, wherever you want to get in, these are the 7 segments, 7 techniques, technologies of the future, which will make you future proof and at the same time help you grow in your career. You know, career growth is not a myth or a fad. It is a real thing, and if your career is stagnating in life sciences, you know where to go. You have to go to Biotecnika. Check out the jobs and opportunities we post. Find out what the employers are looking for and put that in your CV. Customize your CV according to the employers, and you will get a job faster, easier. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was valuable and useful. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, or you can always write to me at shekhar@biotecnika.org. See you soon in the next one. Till then, keep shining. All the best. Bye-bye.